Straighten it out, Clint. You're off the track. Come on. I do. I give little statuses. Off the track again. He needs to go more that way. Because I got my hand in the video. There he goes.
Come on, let's get those angry birds going. That's better.
Come on, Clint. Woo! The cameraman's got some freaking guts, man.
I do it. Okay.
Clint all gone.
Where'd he go?
Where'd he go? Peekaboo.
Alright.
Hey.
Woo! Oh, he's not done.
Get out of the way, that's what you gotta do.
Give it up.